Hi, good afternoon. Today we're going to be showing you how to do a small petite hand tied. I have got this hydrangea here and I've put some eucalyptus around and some salal lower down, spiralling as I added them. And next I'm going to add some of the rose hip berries and put them low down. So we're going to be creating quite an autumnal theme here. I think I'll put 3 rounds. There we go. And next I'm going to use these lovely peachy orange coloured roses. Remember always to be spiralling your stems. I'm going to add those between where I've put the rose hip berries. And I'm just going to add a little bit more eucalyptus where those roses are. Very vintage style, this one. And next, in between those, I'm going to add the orange gerbers. Again, working around and twisting to make a spiral. And then I'm going to put some of these leucadendrons in between. It actually comes as a bigger stem, but we've just broke these up, so we can just put them round. I think maybe just one more there. That's it. Then just a little bit more greenery around the edge. I think I'll use some of the red robin this time. Just pop that in there. Again, working around. Then I am going to edge off the bouquet using some palm leaves, just low down, just to give it a finished edge. Yes, we'll use 4 of those, low down, and then we're ready to tie it off. And then we will show you next the gift wrapping.